What do you usually do in your free time?
My free time, I usually chat and go out.
Chat and go out?
Yes.
Yes, about chatting. Who do you chat with?
I usually chat with my friends.
With your friends?
Yes.
Do you prefer to chat on Facebook or on the phone?
I prefer to chat on the phone.
On the phone?
Yes.
Why do you prefer to chat on the phone?
Because it's very inconvenient.
Because it's very inconvenient?
Right.
Yes. Which chat application is best?
And I Skype best.
Skype?
Yes.
Yes. Have you ever chatted with the phone before?
No, I haven't.
Yes. About the out. How do you usually go out?
By bike. I usually go out by bike.
By bike?
Right.
Yes. Who do you usually go out with?
I usually go out with my friends.
With your friends?
Right.
Yes. Where do you usually go to?
To a park. I usually go to a park.
To a park?
Right.
Yes. Is it far from the house?
It's about 1 kilometer to the house.
About 1 kilometer?
Right.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Bye-bye.